Today let's learn how to load new brushes, patterns, and shape. I'm going to go to Window, Brushes. I click the three lines here. Import brushes. These are going to be on my USB, and these are going to be brush files. And notice these are ABR, so these are all brush files. I can do Control A. If that doesn't work, you may just have to manually add each one of them. So again, that's Window, Brushes. I can pull it down and I can see which brushes I've already added. So I'm going to go to Import Brushes, and then I'm just going to do them one at a time. I know I have 3 of these that have to do with fur and hair. So I can also click a new brush group, Hair and Fur Brushes. Okay, and then from here I can click and drag my fur and hair brushes into this category. Alright, so next I want to do the same thing with shapes. Window, Shapes. Sorry, I just closed that one. Same process. We're going to click the 3 lines, Import Shapes. And now I'm going to look in the shapes. All of these are going to be CSH files. And we have 5 of them that we want to add. See what they look like? We have several options. We can do small thumbnail or large thumbnail. So we can see our trees, wild animal, boats, and flowers. Those are the generic ones. And then now we've gone and added some arrow keys. Some city icons, nautical shapes, a pack of various shapes, kind of lots of flourishes, and then finally snowflakes. We can also do a small list, and this gives you the name, or we can do a large list that also shows you the exact name. And that may be important when all these flourishes, they look a lot alike, and you need to make sure they use the exact same one several times. Finally, we want to add some patterns. Window and Patterns. We've got our patterns over here. And we can click our 3 lines. And we want to import. Same process, Import Patterns. I know previously I was able to do them all at once. It might just be my computer compared to your computer. But if not, it really is pretty simple. Each time, File, Import Pattern, Gypsy Garden, the 3 lines, Import Pattern, Import Pattern, Import Pattern, Squid Fingers. So again, for me, I like to use the large thumbnail so we can kind of see exactly visually. These I can also stretch them out if I've got a lot of different patterns I'm wanting to look through.
Hello, ma'am. Shanna, thank you so much.